Okay, I'm facing the wrong way.
Wait a minute.
That way's the sun, no. Oh, Lord. Okay. Baler broke down for the final time. Different chain broke, and now he's got to fix it. But when he puts that one on, he's got to retime it and everything. So we're looking at rain coming in. So about Saturday. So we got to get the rest of this.
Or Sunday.
I let it hear by hand.
You know, in hindsight, let them see a nice shot of the pretty.
Yeah, look at the thunderheads coming off the lake. Oh, never mind. I'm pointing the wrong way. I'm pointing the way. Look at all them thunderheads coming off. Okay. I'm going to switch this camera around and give it to my son here for a minute.